Today, my morning drink is iced matcha green tea latte. Even though I make it for home, I still use the scales to make sure that I get that consistently delicious taste of my matcha. At home, I make about 12 ounces cup, and for this, I use 5 grams of my pure matcha powder. I do strain it to just go through the motion, and I really love the ceremonial process. And because I'm making an iced matcha, I use cold water. So this is like cold brewing my matcha tea. I use a whisk to make sure everything is fully dissolved and well combined, and I try to get that bubbly top. This way, I'm going to get a creamy and with a beautiful texture of my matcha green tea latte. Look how smooth that is. For home, I just mix my milk with my matcha and then use my whisk to combine them all together. There is no need for me to use a layered matcha technique. I like to use a bowl of ice, pour my matcha drink over, and voila, enjoy.